Today 2nd October James daily combo. What is James daily combo of today? At first I will click worker and search skeptical partner. I select skeptical partner and click one card open. I will search second card. I will select a ugly shoes and click here. Open second card. I will search third card. I will search third card and select Career Entrepreneur and click here. Open three card. Now complete.